Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Stephanie's Stamp Pad where we get together in my home studio and make a card. Today's card is a quick, fast, easy one and I already know who I'm going to give it to. I'm going to give it to my sister-in-law Marcella. She's going through something right now and this one's going to really help her look above this. I'm excited about this one. It says, "Don't be afraid to dream." Now, it's using our glitter paper, which is fantastic. The best part about this card, though, is it's so easy to make. We're going to be done in an instant, practically. Now, what do we need to make this card? First, we need our dream statement set. Now, the dream statements and all the other statements come with the die word and the shadow and stamps that match, okay? So we're going to use "Don't be afraid to," and then we're going to die cut "Dream" 3 times. We're also going to be using our stitched rectangle set. I'm using the largest rectangle. And, oh, I didn't even grab some ink. We are going to be using Ocean ink, okay? That's it. That's easy. Now, I've already die cut my card base, and as you know, I have this special die here that always die cuts my card bases. It is an A2 size card. It is the lovely die set. Now, there's a lot of other dies that come in the kit. It's in a kit. But this is the die that you're going to leave out all the time because it cuts that perfect card base and you don't have to worry. And it has a special spot in my life right there on that little, you can't see it, but that little knob. So now I have this. I'm going to die cut my rectangle. So my stitched rectangle, I'm going to lay this down. I'm using the plus machine so I don't have to worry about any speed bumps. I'm just going to turn that a little bit at an angle and run it through. We don't want any speed bumps. We don't want to go straight through our machine because if we do, our roller will jump over that blade and it won't cut it. That's called a speed bump. We want to go nice and smooth and get a nice clean cut. So I'm going to pop that out and you can see I have stitch marks all the way around. How fun is that, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stamp the top, "Don't be afraid to." We're going to grab this and get the block. And let's see, "Don't be afraid to." We're going to lay this down. Now this is a longer stamp. What I like to do, because sometimes they can be a little flexible, I like to lay it down, face down, exactly the way it wants to be. And then I take my block and lay it on top. Now it's in a perfect straight line. I don't have to worry about it kind of getting a little awkward. This might be a new stamp, so I'm going to find some scratch paper. And I'm going to stamp once on scratch paper. Oh, okay, we're good. If you're concerned if it's a new stamp or not, stamp on scratch paper just to make sure you get a better impression the next time. So we're going to do right there. And of course, I'm using my secret weapon below me. Pressing down. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to die cut our dream. I've taken our glitter paper and I've already added the Sizzix adhesive on the back. I highly recommend adding the Sizzix adhesive on the back because look at how intricate these are. You don't want to try to add a tape runner to the back of that. Instead, you want to just be able to peel off that backing and be good to go. So here I have a sample. I'm just going to show you really quick. Oh, and of course I'm not going to be able to peel it because you're watching. Close your eyes. Everybody close your, there we go. And then there's the backing, okay? So what we're going to do is, of course, I'll demonstrate the pink because pink is the best color in the world. I'm going to actually take my Precision base plate. I like to use the Precision base plate anytime I'm using a very intricate die. On normal cardstock, this die would not require the Precision base plate. But because I'm using a thick glitter paper, this glitter does not come off, so that's why it's a little thicker, and adhesive on the back, and the carrier sheet, it's a little thicker. So I'm going to lay this down, and I'm going to lay this down. Now, here's another tip. Do not lay it like this and run it through your machine, okay? Because remember, my roller is right here. You can see my roller, and it's going to have so much blade all at one time, it's not going to give you a nice clean cut. Let's make our machine successful. Let's make our crafting successful by moving this so it's going to have a lot of time to die cut, okay? That's going to give us a cleaner cut. So we're going to lay this down and we're going to run this through. Now I am using the Precision base plate, but again, it's just as easy for me to run it back. So I'm just going to run it back and we're going to get a beautiful dream word. And I'm going to pop this out. Ah, it's sticking in there. It's all die cut. Don't worry. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at how intricate it is. It's so intricate, it's like moving off to the side. Okay, so let's put our dreams on our card. Well, first let's put this on our card. So let's grab this, add our adhesive. I'm breaking my rule. I say never do adhesive on your secret weapon. Broke my own rule, naughty, naughty. We're going to lay that down. Notice it layers perfectly. And then we're just going to add our dream. So let's do our blue first because that one is on the top. And again, can you imagine trying to lay this down and add adhesive to this? Oh, no, no. Get the Sizzix adhesive. It's a game changer. So we're going to add this. And I like to do one letter at a time just to make sure it doesn't get too crooked. There we go. Dream. Oh, she's going to love this card. Then we're going to get the gold. And you can overlap these any way you like. Oops. And we're going to peel the backing off. Just like that. Look at that. Whoosh! And let's lay it like this. Dream. And last but not least, we're going to layer this one over here. Peel off the backing. And we're going to lay this one right. Well, let's lay it more like this. Isn't that cute? So darn easy. I told you this one was going to be easy. But that glitter paper, you are going to fall in love with it. Look at that. Any which way you want. But look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? It just kind of makes it pop right off the page. That glitter paper is fantastic, along with the Sizzix adhesive and the precision base plate. That's the right recipe. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Stephanie's Stamp Pad, where we get together and play with glitter without the mess. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.